Masyado maganda yung comfort at tech nitong kotse na to. Sobrang worth it para sa price na babayaran mo. Kaya kung gusto mo neto, I got you ulit. So this is the 2023 Ford Everest Titanium Plus. Meron kang 20 inches two-toned alloy wheels, makakapalang tires. Meron kang LED day running light, LED headlight, LED fog lamps, may chrome accents sa grille at functional para sa intercooler turbo at triang ending. Powered by a 2.0 liter turbo diesel automatic transmission engine. Itong variant na to, single turbo lang siya. Unlike sa other variant na 4x4, naka-bi-turbo na. So dito, less things to worry about. At sa likod, meron kang napakagandang LED taillight, napakagandang garnish, may rear camera, may rear sensor at syempre power tailgate. Maluwag ang trunk space at foldable yung third row seat. At dito sa cabin, napaka-aesthetic. Meron kang power seat, fully digital display, maayos na steering wheel, may mga controls dito, may cruise control. Napakalaking touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless charging pad, automatic transmission with manual shifting mode, electronic parking brake, at may ambient lighting ka na rin dito. Aesthetic na panoramic sunroof. At dito sa second row, maluwag ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang aircon controls, outlet source, USB ports, at air vents on both sides. Sa third row seat, medyo masikip pero kasya ako, pero adjustable naman yung upuan niya, so makakapag-adjust ka. For 1,785,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Tara na, test drive mo na. Peace out.